Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we're going to create a flashlight and add a flashlight idle animation to our player so we can actually use the flashlight. So yeah, let's get started. First you want to go to the link in the description and you want to download the textures folder, models folder, and from the animations folder you want to download the flashlight idle. Okay? After that you want to go to your animations and you want to first import the flashlight idle animation. You want to select the SK mannequin, so the UE5 mannequin, import all. And then you want to go back to the blueprints and you want to import the models folder, also the textures folder. First the models, and after that let's import the textures also to the blueprints. Okay, now let's do one more thing. Let's right click and create a new folder. Again, let's call this materials. And now let's open the materials and let's right click and create a new material. Let's call this flashlight light matte. Okay, let's open it. And here let's click on this node and let's change the material domain. Let's change it to light function. Okay, now let's right click and let's get a texture sample. And let's search our flashlight light texture and let's connect the RGB to the emissive color. Like that. Let's apply. Let's save. And let's close this. Now let's go to the blueprints and let's open the PP player character. Let's go to the viewport. Here, what we want to do, let's actually go first to the anim blueprint. So to the third person map, animations and APP player. Now let's go to our anim graph and here on main states, let's open it, and here on local motion, let's change this test pose to the flashlight pose. We are not creating all the code for equipping and unequipping flashlight and items in general in this episode, but we will now just add it to here so we can test it. Okay? So let's search for our flashlight idle and let's compile. And now you can see we have this flashlight idle animation here that I created. Okay? Let's save. Let's click on this skeleton. Now we are on our SK mannequin skeleton. Let's preview animation and let's get the flashlight idle. Okay, let's click from here to stop it. And now let's scroll down until we find our hand R. Let's right click. Let's create a socket. Let's call it flashlight. Okay, now we can add a preview mesh. So right click and add preview asset, flashlight. And let's change the camera speed to 2 so we can move a little bit better. Now let's rotate this to the hand. So I will just use my old rotation from my other project. So first location. Location X will be -26. Sorry, I don't know what I'm talking about. It's -8.3, not -26. The Y will be 3 and the Z will be 9.1. 1.5. Okay. Now the relative rotation X will be 180 degrees and the Y will be minus 10 degrees and the Z will be minus 180. And as you can see, the flashlight is on our hand almost perfectly. And you can obviously adjust it if you want to move it to be like maybe a little bit more here or whatever. Okay, so let's save, let's close, let's go to the PP player character. Now let's click on our mesh, let's right click and let's click on it and let's add a static mesh. Let's call this flash light. Okay. Now let's select our flashlight mesh. Let's attach it to the parent socket, which will be the flashlight. Okay. Now let's actually create the light for it. Okay. So let's keep the flashlight selected and let's add a light spotlight. And let's rename this to be flashlight light. Okay, it doesn't sound very fancy, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now let's set the set location to 20. Oh, why did it not move? 20. And Y rotation to 90. Now it's at the perfect location. Now what I want to do, I want to change the where can I do it? Here under the advanced intensity units, let's change it to lumens and let's change the lumens value to 150. And also this attenuation radius, let's make it 5000. And inner cone angle, let's make it 15. And outer cone angle like 30. And you can obviously play with these values however you want. And let's use temperature and let's use the normal 6500. Okay. Now let's compile. Let's save all. Let's wait it to save. Let's go to the third-person map and let's play. Okay, it's lagging, but now it works. You can see we have this flashlight here. And the hand animation or the flashlight idle animation is pretty good. And yeah, now let's actually change the directional light. Let's make the intensity like 1. Also the skylight, where is it here? Let's make it like 0.5, maybe 0 even. Yeah, let's save and let's play again. Now we can see better how it looks. But one thing that I noticed that we have to change, let's go back to the PP player character and let's keep our flashlight light selected and let's scroll down until we find this light function material. Okay, let's select our flashlight light mat. Now let's compile, let's save, and let's play again. Now you can see we have this nice image basically on the light. So it looks a little bit better. So yeah, and you can obviously adjust the flashlight values however you want, but these are the good values for me. So yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.